Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube with the account you want to control. Once signed in, tap your profile icon and go straight to Settings. This gets you to the controls without delay. On mobile, open General and then Digital Wellbeing. On desktop, click Time watched in the left menu to view daily stats. These screens are where watch time reminders and limits live, so make sure you reach the correct menu before moving on. Now you configure the actual watch time controls. Enable Remind Me to take a break and choose an interval like 30 or 60 minutes so YouTube interrupts binge sessions. This helps reset attention. Next, toggle Remind Me when it's bedtime and enter your sleep window so late-night viewing pauses. Then review the daily watch time chart to see typical usage. Once done, adjust reminder intervals and bedtime until they match your goals, making sure the settings are saved. Finish by saving your choices and testing them immediately. Start a video and let it run past your set interval to verify the break reminder appears. If you don't see prompts, make sure the YouTube app is updated and that notifications are allowed in your device settings because blocked alerts prevent reminders. For persistent problems, clear app cache or reinstall, and if you need firmer control, combine these tools with device, do not disturb or parental controls to enforce watch time limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.